Hey guys, real quick video. For anybody that recently purchased a Holosun 509T, I'm sure you had to use multiple plates in order to mount it onto your pistol. I found a solution where you only need to use one mounting plate instead of multiple. Just to give some information, normally you would get this RMR plate that would be mounted to the pistol. Then this plate came with the 509T. You would mount this to this plate, and then you would take the optic and mount it to this plate right here. So you'd have two plates onto the pistol and would be super, super high. And it just didn't look right. It looked goofy. Also, if you had suppressor height sights, you could not co-witness with suppressor height sights. Well, I found a company that actually makes one plate. So all you have to do is mount the plate to the pistol and then the optic to the plate, and that's it. If these sights were suppressor height sights, you could definitely co-witness with this optic. But these are just the standard sights that came with the pistol. The company is C&H Precision Weapons.
If you're looking for this mounting plate for a different pistol, go to their website and highlight the red dot adapter plates tab. This will show you all the manufacturers they offer this mounting plate for. To find out if they offer the 509T mounting plate, you'd have to select your manufacturer. So let's just select the FN as an example. Here's the Holosun 509T. The number 1 in the brackets means that they make this mounting plate for one of the FN pistols. Click on the box next to the Holosun 509T, and this will show you what pistol they offer this mounting plate for. In this case, they offer the Holosun 509T for the FN 509 pistol. So if you're looking for the mounting plate for the Holosun 509T, go to their website and check the manufacturers that are listed to see if they make this plate for your pistol.
The one thing I do ask is if you do wind up purchasing something from them, let them know that UberTech sent you. It helps the channel out a lot. Also, if you have any questions, please put it in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you thought the video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It's free, and it helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.